word platform and the phrase platform in an industrial site context. Maybe you're asking, what is a platform in an industry site? Or perhaps, what is a platform? Let's see what each means. Let's start with platform. In industry, a platform is a flat, elevated structure. It provides a safe place for workers to walk or stand while inspecting or repairing equipment. Platforms allow access to high areas in places like factories, refineries, and construction sites. You can think of a platform as being similar to a balcony or a floor at a raised height, often with railings for safety. Now, what about plate? In industry, a plate is not something you stand on, but instead is usually a flat piece of material, often metal. Plates are used to cover surfaces, strengthen structures, or as part of machines. You might find steel plates bolted into a factory frame, or forming the walls or floors of tanks and equipment. So, to summarize, a platform is designed for people or equipment to stand on and is often raised high in a facility. A plate, on the other hand, is a simple flat material, not a place to walk, but a part of a structure, machine, or surface. If you meant platform, it is the elevated structure for working or supporting equipment. If you meant plate, it is a flat piece of material used as part of machines or construction. Let us know in the comments if you want more details on either, or if you had something else in mind.